In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add comments in Notion. Hey everyone, we're diving back into Notion, and I'm going to show you exactly how to add comments so you can share feedback, capture ideas, and collaborate smoothly. Comments in Notion are all about context. Whether you want to talk about the whole page, a specific sentence, or a single block, like an image or a paragraph, there's a clear way to do it. Let's start with a comment for the entire page. Move your cursor to the very top and hover over the page title. As you hover, a small Add Comment button appears next to the title. Click that, and you'll be able to leave a note that applies to the page as a whole. This is great for big picture feedback, like setting goals for the document, leaving a summary, or asking a high-level question without tying it to a specific section. If you don't see the button right away, just make sure your cursor is on the title. Notion hides some controls until you hover. Next, let's add a comment to specific words within a block of text. Highlight the exact text you want to talk about. As soon as you highlight, a small formatting menu will pop up right above or below your selection. Click Comment in that menu. This anchors your note directly to those words, which is perfect for quick edits, clarifications, or suggestions where precision matters. A simple tip here: highlight only the smallest phrase that captures the issue. That keeps the comment focused and easy to resolve later. Finally, you can comment on an entire content block. Hover your mouse over the block you want. This could be a paragraph, a heading, an image, or another element. You'll see the icon appear to the left of the block. Click that icon to open the block options. Then choose Comment from the drop-down menu. This attaches your feedback to the whole block rather than a specific word or the entire page. It's especially helpful for images, embeds, or standalone sections, and it keeps your note attached even if the block gets moved elsewhere on the page. To recap the flow, use the page title area when your feedback applies broadly. Highlight text when you need precision, and use the block menu when the note belongs to a whole section or element. All three methods keep your conversation tied to the right context, which makes collaboration cleaner and faster. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments, whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.